Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the US stock market. We're gonna dive with NASDAQ, SPX and Dow Jones for the daily analysis. We're gonna start with the 4-hour chart here, and we're still of course looking at a potential wave 1 finished, and we're looking for a deeper correction here to unfold as a wave 2. Now this wave 2 is very complex, already starting with 3 waves, a W, X and a potential wave Y, or of course an A, B, and a C. The wave C here is an ending diagonal unfolding 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It can be even that this diagonal is still extending in time, extending of course in a wave 4 and a 5. That means of course it's still possible to see a potential push toward the upside after it, which it can be a wave 5 extension, meaning of course this wave 5, which is very low possibility guys, because wave 4 is very long in time. So I'm not gonna repeat this scenario anymore so much. I'm gonna stick with the wave 1 over there finished. So basically of course 3 waves. I believe in case we push for higher in a finished diagonal here, we might be of course in a potential A, meaning 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, we are in a wave Y here, in a large W, can be even like a W, X, and a wave Y as well. Now, this wave Y in blue, if it is not finished yet, but I believe that it should be because it's already 3-way structure, but we're still looking for lower. And that means, of course, something potentially can be impulsive unfolding, can be a deeper ABC for wave Y. Yes, definitely it can be. Now the timing also, by the way, it has passed so much for wave 2. If we start really a wave 2 from there, the time is already has passed, and potentially we need to see a massive drop before the push towards the upside, guys. On the lower time frame, 1-hour chart, we got of course this 3 waves towards the upside. As mentioned, it is a wave A. Now we are estimating a potential wave B here, and then wave C. So what if we get here an A, B, and a C before we push towards the downside again? Of course, very likely that can happen. But don't forget that this wave A is already 3 waves. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. It is an ABC here, finished 3 waves, very fast. And then potentially continuation towards the downside here as a 1, 2. And potentially wave 2 is a 3 waves here, meaning 1, ABC, wave 2, and then pushing down, guys. So very likely to be also in a massive wave 3 there unfolding. However, a key level to be watched here is the 1-to-1. If we break the 1-to-1 over there, that means of course that we might be even bearish anyway. It's very, very close for the low. I believe that it might be taken, guys. So I think that this might be our impulse that we required for this zone, guys. I need an impulse here, a massive drop to, of course, finish up all these overlapping. I mean, we need to dive deeper and take the minimum requirement here for wave 2. So we need an impulse to start unfolding aggressively a little bit to finish up this corrective wave 2. Yep, so this is regarding NASDAQ. Let's move for SPX, where we have also a potential finished wave 1 over there. We're looking at a lot of overlapping there correctively. We still might be here in a potential A, something as a wave B, and then wave C might still drop as an impulse. I'm still looking, of course, what's going to happen. Maybe directly is going to go in an impulse, a very sharp wave B finished over there. Can be, of course, an A, B, and a C. It looks like a blitz, but don't forget that the time is still required here, unless we are finished here, a wave 1, and we are looking at A, B, C still, and the wave C can be done and finished sooner. Yeah, but I doubt it, guys. Yeah, I doubt it. I see the alternation perfectly here with the wave 2, and a wave 5 is an ending diagonal, and the correction starts over here. So whether we dive very deep and very aggressively, and then we push for higher, despite that the time, because of course if you dive very aggressive and fast, if it dive deeper, then of course the time is not necessarily to be 100% hit. It can take the minimum requirement for time and starting to push towards the upside, guys. So by all means, I'm still looking for lower. I don't trust, even if this is of course overlapping at the end, we need to reach the low. And you have 5 waves down as a wave A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse towards the downside, guys. Yep, so this is regarding SPX. Let's see Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, 4 and a 5 finished wave 1. We have an A, B, and a C that it might be unfolding over there. So basically, this wave C can be a correction as well in a zigzag that it might be unfolding. Of course, wave B can be short like a blitz. Don't forget a zigzag. Sometimes there's very shallow wave B in time and in price, and then of course it pushed directly downward. So I think that the Dow Jones might align as well with NASDAQ and SPX as well, with a very fast drop toward the downside, towards of course our target as well. So we'll see how this will unfold as well with Dow Jones. Basically, the 50-minute chart, nothing is impulsive. Everything's still, of course, very corrective. And we still, of course, somehow overlapping as well. Too much overlaps. Yeah. So, guys, I don't see yet even an impulse unfolding over there. So, definitely can be something as diagonal 1, 2. Yeah, even a wave 3 here, if you want to count a 1, 2, 3, 4 interfering again. So I cannot find any wave 3 that it did not interfere. So very, very, yeah, very choppy and very, I would say, messy. This correction is a lot of chaos. So I doubt even that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a W, X, and a Y, guys. I think in a wave A, B, and a C, potentially even a deeper W, X, and a Y, something like this. W, X, and a Y. This is at highest probability right now, because the internal structure doesn't show any impulsive wave. Yep, so this is regarding the US stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.